Hey guys, welcome back to 2 Minute Coder. Today we're doing HackerRank problem, recursive digit sum. So just take a moment to pause the video and read the question. Alright, so we will not be using recursion for this, okay? The thing that we're just going to do here is iteratively sum our digits, alright? So first things first, let's do the initial summation. Alright, so our digit sum is going to be a sum of int digit for digit in n, right? And then times k, because we just have to sum this 29, right, and times it by 4. 29 times 4 is 116, right? So we don't actually have to like first make this string and then do the digits. We can just take the sum of this and times it by 4, right? So once we have that, our base case basically is going to be if our digit sum is less than 10, right? So that's when we return our digit sum. So while our digit sum is greater than 9, we are going to keep on doing the summation, right? And this is just going to be the same thing. Sum of an int digit for digit in, and we typecast this to a string, right? Because our digit sum from here is going to be an integer, right? But when we are going through the digit sum here, we need it to be a string. So we typecast it to a string, do the summation, but we typecast that summation as an integer, right? And then once this base case is realized, we return digit sum. So this runs and let's submit it. All right, perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed and subscribe for more.